Smoking Bears here. Today's cook, I'm doing some pork butts, but you guys have seen hundreds and hundreds of pork butt videos. So what I'm focusing in on now today is the mini WSM. It's made from a Weber Smokey Joe, like the little 14-inch grill, and a 32-quart Tamale Pot. I'll give you a little walkthrough. You saw me put the one together as I lit it. So I'll give you another little gander at it in just a second. Cheers, everybody. The two we got today. As you can see, like right here, it's a Smokey Joe Tamale Pot. Right there is where the rack is, the cook rack. Right there is a temperature gauge. It is 1 inch below the cook rack, and it's only like 3 inches, so it's going to be, there's going to be a small temperature difference between the center of the rack and the outside. But and then this one here is the same. There's the cook rack right there. It's a thermometer. It's only a 3-inch probe, but it's a bigger dial thermometer, just because it was cheap and on sale. So I got the vents. The exhaust is wide open, and I control. Hold on a second. Rex, say hi to YouTube. Rex, say hi to YouTube. So I wanted to give you a look here at the back of them. So right there is my air intake magnet. Right here on this rib is where the heat diverter pie pan is, and the smoke will come up, hit that pie pan, and go around and swirl and help even out my temperatures all across that little cook rack. Then my exhaust will stay wide open. Right there is the rack. So there's that. The air intakes are 1-inch holes, and I just move the magnet as I need it. Got my little helpers today, Bear Cub and Pay. All right, so there's our pizza pan, or little pie pan with the holes in it. Pay's dropping her butt in. You see it fills it up pretty good, and that is seasoned with the Southern Lynx steak and brisket seasoning. I run it through a pepper mill. I really like it. This butt Pay's putting on fat cat down because our heat is coming from the bottom. We want to protect the meat. This one's seasoned with our Bayou Bear Cajun rub. Bear, what time is it?
6:02.
It is 6:02. Alright everybody, it's 1:30 in the morning. So this cooker, you saw me load up the basket on this at the beginning of the video. It's ran, I put it on at 6, so it's 7.5 hours. It's held between 250, 275 the whole time. So let's take a look and see how much coal's left in that basket. All right, so there's how much coal's left. So we burned about half of it. So, and that was with lump and a little bit of briquettes mixed in. It was just some used coal. So, all right, guys. So my two butts, I'm not gonna leave you hanging, right? I'm gonna show you these and do a little taste test. Man, they smell good. I know the videos about the minis, but you got to see these things. This is the steak and brisket, and this is the Bayou Bear. Man, look at that bark. Look at that bark. A little smoke ring. Bone. Beautiful. Man, that's good stuff. Man, check that out. All right, guys. All right, so that's Smokey Bears. That's all I got. Those minis, you thought a UDS was awesome. These little minis are compact and killer. They are phenomenal cookers. I'm telling you, you saw it here. That's Smokey Bears. That's all I got this week. Remember, family barbecues together, stays together. Everybody have a wonderful week, and cheers. Keep the smoke rolling, Rico.